Sorry, Evie. Okay, can I see the digger again? Where's the shovel?
Carter, give Dad the shovel.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. I will give it right back. You won't even use it.
Carter, just wait for it. He's gonna give it right back.
Okay, there you go.
Say thank you. You gonna dig, Carter? Good job.